everyone. How are you all? I'm sure you all are enjoying yourselves sitting at home. But do not forget, we all have to study too. So here we have a study lesson today on adverbs. What are adverbs? We generally get confused between adverbs and adjectives. So today in this video, we are going to learn about adverbs and kinds of adverbs. If you like the video, do not forget to share it with your friends, like the video and subscribe my channel so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. So here we go with adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that adds something more to the meaning of a verb. It helps us to focus more on the verb. It tells us more about a verb. For example, he dances nicely. That means this word nicely explains how that person dances. So, nicely is trying to focus more on the verb dances. So, an adverb is a word that adds something more to the meaning of a verb. But you know what? It not only adds more meaning to a verb, it even adds meaning to an adjective and another adverb. So, an adverb can modify a verb, an adjective, and even another adverb. Let us take examples to understand better. Read the first sentence given here. He speaks clearly. So, this adverb clearly is telling us how that person speaks. So, it is helping us to add more meaning to the verb that is speaks. So, here clearly is modifying the verb speaks. Have a look to the second sentence. They were extremely tired. So, over here, this adverb extremely is modifying the adjective tired. So, it is adding more meaning to this word tired, which is an adjective. So, extremely is an adverb which is modifying the adjective tired over here. Have a look to the third sentence. She spoke very softly. So, over here, this word softly, it is an adverb. But this adverb very over here is modifying another adverb that is softly. It is giving us more meaning. It is adding meaning to this adverb softly. How much softly? Very softly. So here this adverb very is giving more meaning to another adverb which is softly. So now you can understand it that adverbs not only add meaning to verbs, they help us to modify another adverb also, and they even modify adjectives. So an adverb is a word which adds more meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Have a look to the words given in this circle over here. They all are adverbs. Weakly, loyally, recklessly, accidentally, beautifully. All these are adverbs. So if you observe them carefully, most of them are words ending with ly. So generally the words which end with ly, they are adverbs. But that does not mean that a word which is not ending with ly cannot be an adverb. No, it can be an adverb. You can see here, very itself is not ending with ly. It is an adverb. So there are many more other adverbs also which do not end with ly, but still they are adverbs. Now we already know what an adverb is. So let us learn what are the kinds of adverbs. There are 7 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, interrogative adverbs, and relative adverbs. These are the 7 kinds of adverbs. And now further we are going to learn each one of them. Let us start with adverbs of manner. These adverbs answer our question as to how the work has been done. They tell us about how or in what manner an action is done. Let us understand this better with an example. He behaved terribly. So here the verb behaved, okay, this adverb is adding more meaning to this verb behaved. It is telling us how he behaved. So it is answering this question, how. So whenever your adverb answers this question, how the work has been done, then that means it is adverb of manner. So terribly over here is an adverb and it has been used as adverb of manner. Moving on to the next one, that is adverbs of place. These adverbs tell us where the work has been done. They try to elaborate more about the place. They indicate where an action takes place or took place. For example, I am going upstairs. So here the verb is going and am is the helping verb. So this adverb upstairs is indicating where the action took place. Going where? Upstairs. So these adverbs always answer the question where. Another example given here is, due to floods, there was water everywhere. So in this sentence, this word everywhere is an adverb and it is again answering the question where. Due to floods, there was water. Where? Everywhere. So everywhere is an adverb of place because it is indicating place. The next one is adverbs of frequency. These adverbs answer the question how often. They tell us how often the work is done or was done. So they indicate how often an action takes place or took place. Let us take examples to understand better. She visits her friend occasionally. So this word occasionally is telling us how often she visits her friend. So occasionally is an adverb of frequency. Let us take another example. She never tells a lie. So how often does she tell a lie? Never. So this word never is an adverb of frequency and it is telling us how frequent that person tells a lie. The next one is adverbs of degree. These adverbs tell us how much of the work has been done, the degree of the work, or you can say the intensity of an action. They indicate the intensity of an action. We can understand them better with the help of the given examples here. The first one is, he almost fell asleep when movie ended. So this adverb almost tells us how much, till which extent he fell asleep. The next example is, I am extremely glad to meet you. So how much glad I am to meet you? Extremely. So this word extremely is an adverb of degree. Interrogative adverbs. Now what do we mean by this word interrogative? Interrogatives are questions. So that means this adverb is an adverb of questions. So those adverbs which help us to ask questions are known as interrogative adverbs. For example, when, how, and why. All three of them are interrogative adverbs. But whether they are used as an adverb or not, it depends on their use. So, they are used to ask questions about time, place, manner, number, quantity, and reason. So, they can be used to ask questions related to all of them. Let us take an example for this now. Where does she live? So this word where is helping us to ask this question. Where does she live? A question related to place. So where over here is an interrogative adverb. Let us take another example. How many students paid for the class? So how many over here, these two words, they have been used as interrogative adverbs and they are helping us to ask how many. That means number of students who have paid their class fee. Relative adverbs. There are only three relative adverbs. They are when, why, and where. Whether these words have been used as relative adverbs in the sentence or not, it all depends on their use. So relative adverbs are those adverbs which refer to the thing or person that the pronouns refer to. So basically they try to relate a pronoun with the rest of the sentence or might be some other pronoun in the sentence. Let us take an example over here for this. Do you remember when we last visited the planetarium? So over here this word when has been used as a relative adverb because it is creating a relation between the pronoun you and the rest of the sentence. We all now know all the 7 kinds of adverbs. So it is time for us to practice. So here I have a practice exercise for you all. I am going to now show a few sentences to you and I will even highlight the adverb in that sentence. You just have to tell which kind of adverb it is. So let us get started. The first one. Sumit readily agreed to do the work. Over here, readily is the adverb. Yes, it is ending with ly, has to be an adverb. But which kind of adverb? What answer are we getting? Which question's answer are we getting? Yes, it is giving us the answer to our question as to how the work has been done. So how did he agree? He agreed readily. So yes, it is adverb of manner because it is telling us how the work has been done. The next one, the market is nearby. So here this word nearby is indicating towards the place. So it is adverb of place. Third one, Somrat woke up early. This word early is an adverb. But what is it pointing towards? What is it indicating? Yes, it is indicating towards the time. So, it is adverb of time. We sometimes play hockey. So, this adverb sometimes is telling us how often we play hockey. So, it is answering the question how often. That means it is adverb of frequency. And I have just one more for you. That is, I can hardly wait. That means this is answering our question to what extent the work has been done or will be done. So to what extent can I wait? I can hardly wait. So it is adverb of degree because it is talking about the degree of work being done. I hope now you will be able to understand the kinds of adverbs better. You can still pick up few more exercises on your own. Try to solve them. In case you do not understand, you can always post your doubts in the comment section for me and I am there to help you all. Thank you all for joining me here on this video. Looking forward to meet you all with my other videos too. If you like the video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and always remember, I love you all. See you. Bye-bye.